loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, super easiest vase I've ever made, but it was so hard, you'll see. So I originally bought an 8-foot wood strip to make this vase, but when I saw it this morning I was like, nope. So I went to Walmart to get something I saw from the corner of my eye the other day, and there it was. So this cutting board, and to my surprise it was on sale for $5. It's quality wood and it's going to be so much easier to handle because it's already sanded and it has rounded corners and it has weight to it, which is perfect for a Vases base. Oh my goodness. Guys, please don't kiss your pets. Anyway, let's get started. I'm going to make each base 12 by 4. I'm going to start with the two ends, cut them, round them, and then once I round one of them at least, I'm going to use it to make a third one. All right guys, so I need you to do as I say and not as I do. I have C-clamps to, hold my material down on the table, but they're in my truck. I used it for a backdrop the other day and I left them there, and now I don't have anything, so I'm using this gallon of paint, which is not gonna help much, but yeah. Now I'm going to be drilling holes 2 inches in from both ends, which is where we're gonna be placing the PVCs. Yep, that's me sitting on top of the vase. The drill is just way too powerful. And again, make sure you have your C-clamps to secure your materials. And make sure not to drill your holes all the way through. Leave a thin layer for you to pour glue into it. I'm going to use a PVC cutter to cut my PVC, cutting them in sets of 18-inch and 12-inch. Now it's time for the painting, which, I went through. This was the most difficult part of the whole thing because this is a very easy DIY. Finding the right color was the crazy thing for me. So I originally bought these 2 samples. I thought they were very pretty, very fally, but then when I actually painted it, it was just too red and it didn't match the rest of my decor that I have for the table. So you're gonna see that it's red and then all of a sudden it's rose gold. Not intentionally, I just happened to have a can in my garage and I actually like the results and it matches everything else, so win-win. All right, so we're down to the last step. So basically all we have to do is just add the glue in here and then we're gonna place the PVC right on it. And that's it, very easy. Look how pretty these are. So cute. Made them with my Cricut yesterday. So lovely. Damn, I missed it. I should have made the writing orange, or burnt orange. Now you can't really see it. Still cute, but put the ball there. Or wait a minute. Yes, Tyra, yes. You be thinking sometimes, girl. Oh my gosh. These freaking flies are on 10. So disrespectful. Please don't storm. You'll be so bad. Yes. Look at these beauties. You like it? You thought that was real? You did? What? Coño. What a day. Well, yesterday. All right, so when it comes down to it, your girl is very rusty. I am so rusty trying to figure out what days to post, what DIY to choose, how to balance my job with the balloons and my family and the channel. Because the first time around, I didn't have a job. I was just mainly doing my channel and that was it. So I'll get it together eventually. So if you are in your hustle era, in your entrepreneurship era, and you have a family and responsibilities, don't give up. Don't give up. You know, if you're all over the place at the beginning, it's okay. I'm okay with it. You know, I'm okay with it. I got bags under my eyes. I didn't even have my lighting equipment. I thought this was enough, but it's not. Who cares? Just, you know, put your stuff out there, do what you gotta do, and eventually it will all come together. Just gotta put one foot in front of the other, and that's that. And it'll work out for you. It's not always gonna be like this. I know that it will get better, and I'm trying to be not so hard on myself. So right now, don't expect things to be squeaky clean. I mean, do people want things to be squeaky clean? No, not anymore, right? You want raw, you want everything to be like as is. So that's what you're gonna get from me right now. So, but I know that it's going to get better. It's kind of like a bike, you know, like a muscle. So I just gotta just keep doing it and it'll get better. So just bear with me and my cats and everything else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share it with your friends if you think that, you know, they can use the video. All right, guys, until next time, bye. I'm gonna call you?
Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
We're going to breakfast.
We're going to breakfast and well, I gotta edit, babe.
Wait.
We'll go fast. We gotta go to like Waffle House. I'll be done in 10 minutes. But like Waffle House, we cannot go to the fancy place today.